Microsoft with Windows 11 is trying to force us all to have an online account, but if you still want to use a local account, this is how you do it. Before you start, you must disconnect all network connections. When you see the screen, where you choose what country you are in, press Shift and F10. You should now see the command prompt. Now type this text in the command prompt. Windows will now restart. Just answer the questions and continue the installation normally. Here you must select, I don't have internet. Select, continue with limited setup. If you have followed the steps I have showed you, you now have a local account on your Windows 11 machine. Don't forget to reconnect your network when you're done.